Hello and welcome everyone in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to make a white background for Instagram posts for Android phone users. So, in today's video, we will use an application called White Border Square Fit Photo and No Crop Photo. Just go and search for it on the Google Play Store, and after that, install it and open it. After opening the application, click on Choose Photo. And as you can see here, you will see the photos in your phone. Choose any picture that you want, and as you can see, there is some dimensions in the bottom of the screen. Choose the dimension that you want to use it. For example, I want this dimension 1 on 1 square, and it's the best dimension for Instagram. And usually we use this type of application so our pictures will be in good dimensions and we don't need to crop them. So here, as you can see, there is white border. You can change the color as you want it. There is so many colors. There is also some palette decoration. Can use it as you can see here. Or you can delete it. You can also add some text to your picture, or simply just you can add this white background for your Instagram posts. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next one.